new information about why a Brown University professor was denied entry to the U.S. even though she had a valid visa. As WBZ's Louisa Moeller shows us, because of photos on her phone and her answers to certain questions, customs officials consider her a possible threat.
Court documents say Rasha Alloway had just gotten off a plane at Boston Logan last Thursday, on her way to be an assistant professor and doctor at Brown University on an H-1B or work visa, when she was detained and sent back to her home country of Lebanon. Now, new court filings are providing evidence as to why. After arriving in Boston, officials searched her phone, and Dr. Alloway was interviewed by a Customs and Border Protection official. She was asked why she had photos of Hezbollah fighters and martyrs, including photos of the designated terror group's assassinated leader, Hassan Nasrallah, on her phone. She answered many came from family and friends through a WhatsApp group. And about Nasrallah, quote, "He's highly regarded in the Shia community, and he's a religious and spiritual person. As I said, he has a very high value." She also told the official she attended a Hezbollah rally, quote, "I attended the commemoration of the death of Nasrallah during this trip while I was waiting for my visa." The customs official refused her admission and canceled her visa. She was detained and put back on a plane to Lebanon on Friday.
I mean, I think that they're within their rights to say, well, we haven't been properly served.
Lawyers for Alloway said Customs and Border Protection ignored an order by a federal judge allowing the doctor to stay in the U.S. for 48 hours while her case was reviewed. CBP argues their attorneys didn't get the order until after Alloway was in the air. And as for her interview, immigration attorney Stephen Roth says Customs and Border Protection can search anyone's phone for national security reasons inside an airport and reserves the right to refuse admission to immigrants even if their visa has been approved by the State Department.
But CBP has statutory, regulatory, and legal precedent on their side that allows them to search anyone's phone coming into the United States.
A spokesperson for the Department of Homeland Security said a visa is a privilege and not a right, and, quote, glorifying and supporting terrorists who kill Americans is grounds for visa issuance to be denied. Dr. Alloway's case in federal court has been continued to later in the month.